Check out this Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, Alpine white clear coat, popular equipment group included, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet 40/20/40 rear seat with trunk pass-through rear view auto dim mirror power adjust 8-way driver seat power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel gloss black exterior accents exterior mirrors with supplemental signals vinyl door trim panel black accent stitching altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR,